Quick important lesson before I begin this video. If you find your style sheet never working, one of the first things you should check is whether or not it's still linked up. I just did about 3 videos without anything working, and I found out that I had accidentally deleted my link to the CSS page here on line 7. So please make sure you always have that. What I'm here to show you next is what's called the attribute selector, where we are selecting how a specific attribute looks. So here I have a form. Remember form, some of you may, some of you may not. Form ID equals send, and then we're looking to pull out whatever is specific to matching attribute types. So for example, these two are text types, so we're going to specifically work with anything that's a text type to make it look a certain way. So this is a little bit different. So I'm going to type form because we're first identifying the whole tag that we're working with. And then each of these forms has an input tag. So we're also going to type the word input. From there, we want to use a bracket. And then that bracket will isolate the attribute we want to use. So in this case, we're relying on type equals text. And we want this to look exactly like that over here. So it'll be type equals text. Then our end bracket to make everything match, and then we can do a brace. From there it triggers the exact same CSS pieces that we are used to. So we're going to change the text box's background color to yellow. And to make it really stand out, we're also going to change the width of the text box to 50 pixels. This will change every text box we would put in the page with type equal text to these parameters. So hit save, go over, and voila. 50 pixel text box, mail going in, and yellow background. To prove that anything we would add later would work the exact same way, I'm going to go ahead and add into this form another text box. So we'll ask for their phone number. So it's going to be input type equals, if I put anything else, it will not qualify for this, but I'm going to go ahead and put text. Value equals, we'll throw some value in there because value is what the text box starts out to be and then changes as the web page progresses. Name equals phone, ID equals phone. It's a singular object, so it has the / the end right tag. I hit save, we go look at it, our phone number shows up in that box. Pretty handy. So this would allow you to take very similar objects and work with them throughout the page using only one CSS section.